The regular aloo tikki can get boring. I'm upping the game using chickpeas and a block of cheese. My recipe today for the Tiffin lunchbox is chickpea patties stuffed with cheese. Don't forget to take a screenshot of the ingredients to make the recipe easy at home. So we're going to start the base of the patties, which is with chickpeas. These are already boiled, and we're going to mash it down. So now to this, I'm going to add potatoes, which are also boiled and mashed. To this, I'm going to add a paste of onion and garlic, some grated carrots, mix that up. Now I'm going to season them. So we're going to use a little bit of coriander powder, some cumin powder, a pinch of red chili, since it's for children, salt, and finally some freshly cut coriander. Mix that up. So now I'm going to set this aside, bring forward cubed cheese. I cut them into small, tiny shapes. I'm using cheddar, but you can use any one you like. So what we're going to do is take a small portion, about a spoon, nicely roll it up. Take the cheese, put it in the center, and then cover it back up. Set it aside. Just repeat with however many you need. So the 6 tikkis are done. I'm going to heat some oil. I'm going to use a silicone brush to spread it out. So I'm going to place each one. So I want to cook them on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. So these are well cooked. I'm going to switch off the heat. So I'm ready to plate the tiffin box. With these tikkis, I'm giving khajur. Because of the cheese inside, you don't need to give any sort of chutney or sauce. It gives its moisture through there. So there you have your Tiffin lunchbox ready for today. So I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network for more such Tiffin recipes.